So, Newcastle United 2. Away the lads. Why I? Arsenal, the banter club, under Mikel Arteta anyway. 0. Another loss. Another L. Yes, take the L. Before we get into the fan cam, I am going to play a 1-minute clip. Make sure you do check out the Werripy link in the description, people. It is very important if you suffer from mental health, depression, anxiety, or confidence issues, or just want a general lift in your life. So without further ado, I'm going to play this clip and then I'll give you my thoughts on the banter club. So let's go. Let's go, people. Let's go.
Werripy. Therapy wherever,
whenever.
Hello and welcome to Know Yourself, brought to you by Werripy. Therapy wherever, whenever. In this 4-week course, you will learn how to indicate areas of inner conflict and distress and reflect on them. You will also learn about how different versions of yourself compete with each other to make you feel depressed. This course uses simple models to illustrate different psychological processes. At the end of each lesson, you will be able to draw a model of yourself and see how your depression and inner conflict has been created. We encourage you to take each lesson at your own pace. There is a lot to learn. Short videos and diagrams are provided to make the information easier to digest. Homework will be assigned at the end of every lesson. Also, please make the most of the week between the lessons by applying what you've learned and by doing the homework consistently throughout the week. Before you start this course, have some nice paper, some different color pens, and some tracing paper handy. So, without further ado, let's get started. Click on the tab below to proceed to the first week of the course, the objective and method theory.
Before I start talking about the match, Granit Xhaka has actually come out after a loss. Yes, make a note of the date. 16th of May. He has come out after a loss. That doesn't happen often. And I quote, we didn't do what the game plan was. Not listening to the coach, doing our things. What happened was a disaster performance. We don't deserve to play Champions League. We don't even deserve to play Europa League. It's very hard to take. Well done, Granit. Yeah, well done, mate. Yeah, well done. Yeah, well done, mate. What, you actually want to come out and start chatting now? The weakest Albanian I've ever met in my life. Big up the Albanians I do know as well. They're actual proper friends of mine as well. So big up to them. They're the proper granites. Yeah. But anyway, let's start talking about the game. Ray Parlour voice. Cheers, guys. Remember I told you 25th of November 2019, this manager will take us back 5 years. Looks like he will. Looks like he will take us back 5 years. He's always took us back 3. Remember Unai Emery? Yeah, do you remember him? Good evening. Good evening. Good evening. Good evening. Count Dracula. Yeah, the man that had no drip. He had no sauce. He's conceded 30 shots every game. Do you remember that narrative? Yep. That guy's conceded 5 goals. Sorry, less than that. I lie. 4 goals less. I'm lying again. 4 goals more. I'll get there in the end. I've had a few soirees. Excuse me if I'm toasting to your manager, absolutely capitulating like a mug. But he conceded 4 goals more. With a game more played, by the way, because we've still got 1 more game to play. He conceded 4 goals more than this Muppet has. And Unai Emery had Lichtsteiner, Becky B, Dua Lipa at right back, Leno in goal, Petr Cech. Remember Cech? Nearly scoring own goals. Mustafi, Socrates. Who else did he have? Rob Holding. Nacho Monreal. Yes, Monreal. Kolasinac. Yeah, Callum Chambers. He conceded 51 that season. We finished 1 point off top 4. Capitulated, according to Top Gooners. Europa League final with that. Absolutely pants down in the final, by the way. Capitulated. Now, fast forward 3 years later, this guy has done about 160 million quid on defenders and goalkeeper, and we've conceded 4 goals less. We conceded 3 goals less than Burnley. We're in a dogfight at the bottom of the table. He's fixed the defence. That's 9 straight games we conceded a goal in, by the way. Callum Wilson, well done, man. 160 odd days out injured, come back. Oh my days, what a performance. St. Maximin twisted up Tommy Cafu. Tommy Cafu, yeah? Tommy Cafu. Tommy Santos, mate. Yeah? Andre Santos vibes. Excuse me if I'm being petty with it. But for 2.5, just over 2.5 years, I've been telling all of you lot, yeah? This manager is clapped. He ain't good enough. I'm negative. I'm toxic. You're divisive. You don't know what you're talking about. Your ball knowledge is in the gutter. Yeah, you're a disgrace. Bruno Guimaraes, it was poetic that the guy would score against us. What was the game plan, by the way? Does anyone know the game plan? Yeah, just lost a North London derby. Embarrassing. Biggest defeat in a North London derby away since 1983. I was 1. 1961. I hear you cry. I hear you cry. Last time Tottenham won 3 games at home against us in a row. That season they won the league. Anyone remember it? No, of course you don't, because it's that long ago, isn't it? But don't worry. If you can't see what Arteta's doing, mate, you can F off down there. Always laughing at a loss. Yeah, I am. I'm fully drinking in your tears. Yeah. We're all the top gooners tonight. Super fans trying to change the narrative. Paid actors trying to change the narrative. Yeah. Anyone that's kept it real, mate. Yeah. From day one, before day one, 3 weeks before day one, mate. Yeah. So excuse me if I'm going to bask in the mud, basking in the ambience and drinking the soiree. Your manager has bottled it. Your manager's done £250 million quid, and look at the state of that squad. Your manager looked lost. Your manager's doing Unai Emery beard rubbing vibes against Frankfurt. That game was a disaster, wasn't it? What was the game plan, people? Does anyone know? Oh, let's hook off all the defenders and throw on all the attackers and make it look like I'm throwing the kitchen sink at it. Really? How many real big saves did their goalkeeper, Dubravka, make? Oh, yeah. 0, 0, 0, nada, none. This club's finito, por favor. What do I know? I'm negative, yeah? Stop listening to top fans, top gooners, top super fans. They ain't got your best interests at heart. They ain't got the club's best interests at heart. They're all aspiring young journalists. Oh, look at me. I can write for Football London. Really? Oh, I've made my debut on Sky Sports. Really? Oh, look at me. Oh, somebody says the sky's pink. Oh, they're all saying the sky's pink. I'll go with the sky's pink. These people are absolute wasters, a lot of them. Stop listening to these people, man. Start saying it as it is. Yeah, it is okay to not back the manager. It is okay to actually say that you don't like this manager at all. It's okay to actually look at it and go, oh, we've actually lost 26 games in 2 seasons under this manager. Unai Emery didn't do that, by the way. Just saying, just putting it out there. Oh, but you wanted Emery out. Yeah, I did. Yeah, I did. Until I realised this guy was coming. Then I said, get him back. Can he come back? Yeah, can we get him back? Get him back. Reel him in. But no, top gooners will have you believe that defence is fixed. They'll have you believe that everyone's amazing. We've got the best goalkeeper in the league. Yeah, really? Yeah, to be fair, he actually played all right tonight. But we've got the best centre-backs. Ben White, I told everyone, first mistake he makes, I'm calling him Ben Shite. Day 1 against Brentford, Ben Shite. Great own goal tonight, Ben. Well done, mate. Well done, mate. Tommy Cafu. Tommy Cafu. Tommy Santos, bruv. Yeah? Mohamed El Neni. Give him a new contract, they cried. Eddie and Ketina. No credit tonight, bro? No credit? No, call me if you need a goal? No, none of that. Gibraltar. Oh, the creative spark. Really? Okay. I think we all know where this club's going with this manager, but we've got 3 more years of this. So you trust your manager, and I'll sit here, yeah, and back every club to batter him until he gets sacked. And if you don't like it, keep crying, because I ain't stopping anytime soon. So if you don't like it, if you don't watch it, yeah, or actually understand what I'm saying, take it in your thick skulls, yeah, and actually dissect that the quicker we get battered every week, the quicker he's out the football club. Just an idea. But if you can't see what he's doing, mate, you can F off down the lane. Oh, what? So the world-class manager that came in, was it November, December? Oh, but he's got Kane and Son. Oh, what? You mean Kane that wanted to leave and Son that was injured for 2 months? If you can't see what he's doing, mate, you can F off down the lane. How about you all F off up to Turf Moor, mate? Yeah, how about that? Cheers. We're out of here. I'll take her out. Laters.